Hi, grade 4 and 5. Yan. Last week, napag-aralan natin sa math ang understanding exponential notation. So, sabi natin, ang exponents ay a shorthand to express repeated multiplication of a number by itself. So, this is the base, yung number na malaki, that is the base. Yung nasa taas na 5, that is the exponents. So a negative number raised to an odd positive exponent is equivalent to negative number. When an exponent is 0, as in 6 to the 0 power, the expression is always 1. So these are the another info. Now, let's go for simplifying expression, algebraic expression. But first, we define what is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of terms and one or more operation symbol. Ibig sabihin, combination ito ng mga terms. Pag sinabi natin terms, pwedeng addition, pwedeng subtraction, multiplication, division. So, ngayon, addition, subtraction, one or more. Sabi, di ba, one or more operation symbols. Okay. Ano yung term? A term is composed of constant, a variable, or a combination of variables or a constant and variables. Okay. So, ang term, pwede daw itong constant, pwedeng variable, or combination ng variables, dalawang variables, or a constant and a variables. Okay. Sige, define natin yung variables. Ibig sabihin ng variables, a variable is a letter that represent a number. So, yun daw yung letter na nagre-represent ng any number. Okay. Okay. So, a variable is any letter. Okay. Or symbol that changes in value. Okay. So, any letter. Pag nakita kayo ng letter sa mga terms, sa isang algebraic expression, ibig sabihin, variable iyon. Okay, variable letter. Okay. Ano naman yung constant? Ang constant is a term with fixed value. Ibig sabihin, is any number or symbol representing one fixed value. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang kasamang letter. No, fixed siya. Nabigay yung kanyang value. Okay, yun yung ibig sabihin ng constant. O sige, para mas maliwanag, magbigay tayo ng example. Alin doon yung, magbibigay ako ng term, papaliwanag ko sa inyo kung alin doon yung constant at alin doon yung variable. Okay, let's say we have x plus 2. Okay. X plus 2. So, okay. Sabi natin, ang constant is any number or symbol representing the fixed value. Ang variable is any letter or symbol that changes its values. Okay. Variable, letter, constant, number. Okay. Sige. Yung x, yung 2, yan yung ating constant. Ibig sabihin, fixed value. Binigay ng fixed value siya. Then, ang x ay variable. Ibig sabihin, represent niya lang yung isang number. Hindi niya binibigay yung fixed number or yung exact number niya. So that is the variable, 'di ba? Sabi nga natin, Ang variable, any letter that nagre-represent ng number. So, ang X, letter yan. So, nagre-represent siya ng number na unknown. Di ba? Unknown number. So, that is a variable. Then yung 2, fixed value yan. Hindi naman siya, hindi niya naman nire-represent yung kahit anong number. Di ba? So, yung 2, alam natin yung value, alam natin yung fixed value, ang value ng 2 na naka-fix siya sa 2. So that is constant. Okay. Another example. How about this one? Let's say we have 2x to the third power, 2x cubed minus y plus 4. Okay. Ano ang constant dyan? Okay. So sabi fixed value. So hindi pwedeng maging constant si 2. Bakit? Kasi may katabi siyang variable, no? May katabi siyang variable, may katabi siyang x. So hindi niya pa nabibigay um yung exact value ng x. So variable, may kasama siyang variable. Alin diyan yung nag-iisang fixed number? So the constant here is 4. Okay. So ano naman yung variable natin? Yung variable natin, yung mga letter. Okay. Ang letter na nakikita natin ay x and y. Bakit hindi kasama ang exponent ni x? Kasi ang pinag-uusapan lang natin variable. Hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung exponent, yung may pinakamataas na exponent. So, the variable is x and y. How about this one? Okay, 2x cubed minus 4y squared plus 4r. Okay, may constant ba kayong nakikita? So, lahat ng number natin may kasamang variable. So, wala tayo dyan constant. Okay. Ano ang variables natin? Okay. Lahat ng letter na makikita, usapan natin. So, ang variables natin ay x and very good. X, y, and r. Okay. Okay, isin lang natin. Ito. So, ang constant natin ay si x, ang variable natin ay si x, y, and r. Okay, so wala tayong constant kasi lahat sila may kasamang variable. Okay. Another example. Okay, let's say we have 2x cubed minus 4y squared plus 8. So ano ang constant natin? Ang constant natin ay ang constant natin, ang fixed value natin ay si 8. Okay. Si 8 ang constant value natin. So ano naman ang ating ang variables? X and y. Okay, very good. X and y. So that are the variables. Okay, another example. We have 2x cubed plus 2 plus 4 minus 4y squared. So, alin ang ating natin constant? May constant ba tayo? So, wala tayong constant. Yung variable naman natin ay x and y. How about this one? Okay. Let's say we have 2x cubed y minus 4xy squared plus xyz. So, okay. So, papapansin nyo si X and Y ay inuulit-ulit, no? Nauulit-ulit. So, hindi naman natin na pag hinihingi yung variables natin, ah hindi natin kailangan isulat pa ulit-ulit na XY, XY, XYZ. So, kung ano yung mga nakikita nyong letra, kahit na pare-pareho yan, so isusulat nyo lang ng isa. Okay, so since na wala tayong constant, ang ating mga variables, nandiyan naman, ano ang variables natin? X, Y, and Z. So the variables natin ay X, Y, and Z. Okay, so for your activity, yan, punta kayo sa page, punta kayo sa page 12, yan, gawin nyo yung table, give the variables and constant. So kung walang constant, wala kayong isusulat. So kung walang variable, wala rin kayong isusulat. So give the variables and constant ng mga nasa table. So kung i-fill up niyo yung table kung ano yung variables and constant. And tomorrow, uh, I will teach you how to simplify the algebraic expression. So, madali lang yun. Yan, madali lang yun. So, yan lang muna tayo at magkita-kita ulit tayo. Paalam!